my name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So today's video is very much different. So if y'all have not known, Beyonce, she released her new Renaissance album. I love that album. Oh, I listen to it beginning to end whenever I listen to it. My favorite song off the album is Church Girl. It just speaks to my soul. I love Beyonce and I was super excited for this album. Well, before, like when she told us about the album, on her website, she announced that she was doing these mystery boxes. And in the mystery boxes, you would get like a little poster, like a little one of some pictures, a CD, and a shirt. And on the shirt was a mystery, like you didn't know what was going to be on your shirt, anything like that. And you have 4 options. You can get pose 1, 2, 3, or 4. And I chose pose 3. The number 3 just spoke to me. Lucky number 3. I chose pose 3. And I am so happy I chose pose 3 because on her one of the Instagrams, I don't know, they released the poses and I think pose 3 is the best. So I want to give my honest review of this box and what I truly think. Do I think it was worth the money? The box was $35, and if I'm not mistaken, and it was like $40 after tax, which is pretty good because it's Beyonce, you know what I mean? And it was very much limited edition, so either you caught it and you got you a shirt and a CD, or you didn't. Now the CDs aren't limited edition. I think you can still literally go buy those or you can stream it, but the t-shirts are. And I didn't like, she said it was Act 1 Renaissance, so I felt like, I don't know, I thought she was gonna do 3 albums, Act 2 and Act 3, and all was gonna be albums. I don't know what she's gonna do anymore. I have no theories of what. I think Act 2 is probably gonna be the videos, but I was expecting 3 albums. And if she was doing 3 albums, I thought, like, this girl finna retire, I need to get this shirt. And luckily for me, in my PayPal account, I had like $42. I had enough to get this box. So as soon as it dropped, I ordered it and I'm finna unbox it. So it came in this brown box. I'm not flipping it around because I got my address, but I want to open it. And once you open it, it comes in this black box, and it's just a black box. So I was like, I thought it was gonna have something on it, you know, because I spent my money on here. But this is the box, and when you open it, this is what you see. Now I've literally had this box since the beginning of August, and I just let it sit over there in the corner because it's like a collectibles item and I don't want it to get messed up or anything. Oh, okay, so the box has a little tiny Renaissance right here. That's all it does have. And once you open it, you see the pose, you see the shirt. And people are hella judgmental on this internet and in real life, so I'm not gonna tell you the size I got the shirt in. But this is the shirt, this is the pose. I thought it was gonna look a little better like the actual print, but this is my shirt. I don't know when I want to wear this shirt, but that's the shirt. And then the back of the shirt just says Renaissance. And I really like this pose, y'all. Like, I really like this pose. I gotta be careful where I wear it because BB is basically naked, but she look good. I ain't trying to say she don't look good, but yeah, this is the shirt. But this box was so small, I was expecting to get like a poster and all of that, but it's literally just the shirt. And then if you look, it's the CD. And I mean, you know, it's cute. It's a collectible item. People really don't buy CDs no more, so you know, it was nice. When you open the CD, this was right here. This is the poster, which I'll show you in a second. But on this side, you have, you know, like the CD booklet that you used to get back in the day. And they have like pictures for each song. I'm not gonna show y'all everything because I bought this. But yeah, like that. This one says Move, you know, and she looked really pretty in these pictures. Like, I saw these pictures on the internet, but it's like really cute and neat to have physical copies. Like, it's not something that people do very often anymore. Like, you don't go out and buy albums and stuff, so it's like really cute, like collectibles thing, you know. And I like how, I don't know, she like the old school type stuff. And on this side is the CD. I'm being very careful, y'all. I don't want to scratch this up, but that's the CD. and you know, it's nice and clean. Once I get like my own car, I'll put this in there, but until then it's a collectible item, and being careful with it. I'm going to save the box because you know it is Beyonce, so I'm going to save the box, and I want to put the shirt and stuff back in the box. That's the shirt. Oh, let me show you this poster. So it was like a couple of different posters you can get, and it's the one I got. It's a two-sided poster. I was kind of like surprised on how tiny it was. I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but it's like, you know, cute little thing. Both sides is black and white. She look good. She knows she look good, period. I like the poster, but I will say I was expecting a little bit more, because you know it's $40, so I was expecting more, but I'm happy with it. I'm happy I still, you know, called it, because honestly I don't even know if I'm gonna have the extra money if she do another box for another album. You know, I don't know, so I wanted to get it while I could. So you know, I do like it, and this shirt is really cute. I don't know how I will wear it, like, but I want to dress it up. I don't really know. I was expecting a little bit more because, you know, it was $40, but again, you know, it's still a collectibles type of item. I'm going to keep the box, like, I'm going to keep it. Be very careful with my CD and posters and stuff, because I don't know, one day this could sell for a lot of money, especially if that shirt remained unworn, period. But that's it for my Renaissance mystery box, I guess. The shirt is cute, y'all saw that in. It's cute. Out of 10, I would give my experience a 6.5, maybe a 7. I give it a 7 out of 10. My experience, it came in a very timely manner. So a lot of people got theirs before I got mine, but it's okay. But all in all, I think it came in a pretty timely manner. But I would just rate it a 7 out of 10. I was not completely wowed with the box. I was expecting a little bit more, but contents of it was nice, and you could tell that shirt is very quality. And I love that I have a CD. Like, people don't buy CDs no more. It's like the nostalgia. I like the nostalgia that she had with it, like the branding for it and all that. But yeah, so that's it for this video. I have nothing else to say. If you love Beyonce like I love Beyonce, subscribe to me, because this is a Beyonce fan account. Beehive. I'm a Beehive member, period. I love Beyonce, and I literally cut people off if they say something bad about Beyonce, because if you don't like Beyonce, I really feel like that speaks on you as a person. You know what I mean? Like, I love me some Beyonce, so you know, I love her, and if you love her, subscribe to me. But yeah, that's it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought about this box. Did you get a box? Just comment down below. Talk to me. Share the video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.